Hi everybody, welcome back, and today we will learn lesson 77, terrible toothache. Sağollaşlar yaxshimizlar? 77 ders qaranlamsa, dersni boshlab kelsak. Xo'sh, avval bugungi darsimizga yangi so'zlarni bir o'rganib chiqaylik. Amsa qaranglar. Okay. Birinchisi nima? Appointment. Okay, appointment. Endi mana o'qiganda alohida diqqat qildingizmi? Aynan nima deb o'qiymiz men yaratsanlar? Appointment. All right, appointment. Ana bu appointment deganimiz nima? Masalan, oldin kelishib qo'ymoq. Oldin kelishish degan nima deymiz? Appointment. Endi bu yerga ikkinchi so'z nima? Urgent. Okay, urgent. Urgent deganimiz nima? Jiddiy, zarur. Uchinchisi masalan, till. Okay. Till g'icha degan gapcha. Xo'sh, hamsa ularniki tafsiliy mazmunini qarab boqaylik. Birinchisi appointment. Appointment emasmi? Appointment. Ana bu appointment deganimiz odatda ism bo'ladi. Endi bu turaqliq shaklini bersanlar, make an appointment. Ana bu appointment so'zuq tovushdan boshlanib chiqqan, ma'no oldig'ini nima ishlatamiz, ya'ni ayn ishlatmaysiz, balki nima an ishlatamiz. Shunga nima make an appointment deb oldin kelishib qo'yish. Bu odatda masalan sizlar doktorga ko'rinmoqchi bo'lsanglar va yoki ma'lum bir kishi bilan bir uchrashmoqchi bo'lsanglar, shu oldin kelishib qo'ymoq deganda make an appointment. Yoki have an appointment deb ishlatamiz. Ish qilishilsa, make an appointment, have an appointment. Mesela she has an appointment with her doctor. O doktor bilan qanday qildi? Ko'rishib qo'ydi. Hamda biz bugungi teksimizda yana bir narsa o'rganamiz. Hamda chet elda doktorlar deganda birga hamda agar iqtisodiy ahvoli yaxshiroq bo'lganlarga shaxsiy doktor bo'ladi. Buni nimamiz private doctor deymiz-ku. Va yoki masalan chiq doktorxonasi bo'lsa, qanday desangiz, oldin telefon orqali va yoki hozir ham to'g'ri orqali kelishib qo'ygan bo'ldi. Shunday kelishib qo'ydi. Hozir ham o'sha diyorimizdagi doktorxonalar ham telefon orqali undar bo'lsa kelishib qo'ygan bo'ldi. Shuni deymiz an appointment. She has an appointment with her doctor. Okay, I'm thinking, I have another appointment at 10. I mean, onu bilan boshqa bir kelishib qo'ygan ishim bor. I have an appointment. Yoki I have another appointment. So, what is your lunch appointment? Ana bu yerga lunch appointment deganimiz tushlik tomoqqa kelishib qo'ygan. Demak, ham tushlik tomoqni bir sizlar birga yeymi deb qana kelishib qo'ygan bo'lsa, bu shuni lunch appointment. So, when is your lunch appointment? Shu tomoqni nechidan kelishib qo'ygan? Shunami? Okay, we must try to keep your appointment. Nima desanlar? Mushu sizning kelishib qo'yishingizni qanday desanlar, biz cho'qim qanday qilmoq? Try to keep amalni bercha tirishimiz, nima? Shuni saqlashga kelishib qo'yishni. Okay. Demak, shuni va'dasi turishda degandek. Shunami? Next one is urgent. Okay, and urgent deganimiz zarur, jiddiy degan gap. Jiddiy. Masalan, an urgent message, jiddiy uchur. Bu qanday uchurlar desanlar, har xil kasallikka bo'lgan va yoki zali cho'qim qilmasa uchurlar nima? Urgent, zarur, jiddiy. An urgent task bo'lsa, zarur bo'lgan vazifa. Misharga task deganimiz nima desanlar, vazifa. Yana urgent business. And the urgent business degancha jiddiy bo'lgan ish yoki savdo degan gap. Urgent business. My business was very urgent. Demak, mening ishim bek oldirash edi. Yoki mening savdom bek oldirash edi. Demak, ham businessning ishga ma'nosi hamda ishi. Okay, it's my business, o mening ishim. Demakchi, men qilg'ashim degandek. Okay, and is that an urgent task? O bo'lsa bir jiddiy vazifami yoki zarur vazifami? Is that urgent task? And urgent degan mishar qimmat bo'lmaydigan degan gap. Yani there is an urgent message for you, and this is bir jiddiy xabar bor, uchur bor. There is urgent message for you. And the next one is tell. Tell deganimiz g'icha degan gap. I'm going to stay here till I'm understanding you. And then I'm understanding you, and men tushungicha and then men misha turma deydi. I'm going to stay here till I'm understanding you. Don't call me till 8 o'clock. Demak, hamda soat 8 qisman qanaqma telefon qilma. telefon qilma. Don't call me till 8 o'clock. Till 8 o'clock. Demek hamda nechigacha 9gacha man qanday qilmang? Telefon qilmang. Telefon qilmang. Demek till deganimiz g'achaqcha. Masalan, they cannot get this phone till the next day. Ular ikkinchi kunigacha, next day, ikkinchi kunigacha ular qanday qilolmaydi? Bu telefonni qabul qilolmaydi. They cannot get this phone. You know, please keep it for me till this weekend. Buni mushu hafta oxirigacha qanday qilib bering? Saqlab bersangiz. Please keep it. Keep it. Okay, don't put off, you know, today's work till tomorrow. Demek bugungi ishni aytib qo'ymang deydi. Demek don't put off today's work till tomorrow. Bugungi ishni ertaga qo'ymang. Demak, jamda bugungi ishni ertaga qo'ymang deganni mushu orqali ifodalaymiz. You know, I lived in country till I was 15. Men mushu 15 yoshgacha qanday mushu davlatda tug'ilgan. You know, I lived in country till I was 18. Demek mushu till degani g'achaqcha. Bir tongue twister sifati ilgari biz o'rgangan. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. Yoki till trouble troubles you. Demak, avarchilikni avar qilmaguncha, avarchilikni qanday qilmang? Avar qilmang. Okay, what is that? Do you know this? It's a dental clinic. I'm like clinic degan klinika deb qo'yamiz-ku. Demak, janda shunaqa ambulatoriyasidan yoki davolash o'rnini dental clinic deymiz. Okay, bu rasmni qarasangizmi? Dental clinic. Okay, so let's look at the text. And shu text qaranglar savollar. And savol ko'ngil qo'yib bir anglagandan keyin shu tekstni tushuntirishga tushib ketsak, listen carefully.
Good morning, Mr. Croft.
Good morning, nurse. I want to see the dentist, please.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
Is it urgent?
Yes, it is. It's very urgent. I feel awful. I have a terrible toothache.
Can you come at 10 a.m. on Monday, April 24th?
I must see the dentist now, nurse.
The dentist is very busy at the moment. Can you come at 2 p.m.?
That's very late. Can the dentist see me now?
I'm afraid that he can't, Mr. Croft. Can't you wait till this afternoon?
I can wait, but my toothache can't.
Okay, so arkadaşlar, mesela bugünkü dersimizi tekrar qaraylı. Good morning, nurse. I want to see the dentist, please. Okay, endi meriga good morning. Aytganlar xayrlik aytgan shunami? Xayrlik aytgan sestra. I want to see the dentist, please. Endi meriga want degan fe'l biz oldingi darsda kerak lozim deb o'rgangan. Onun için endi merisi yana bir ma'nosi I want deganimiz bunda qiyg'isi bor. Yoki ma'lum bir ishni xohlamoq degan gap. Demakki ma'lum bir ish qilishni xohlash, masalan I want to see the dentist. Meni tish doktoriga ko'ringim bor. Ko'ringim bor. Yoki nima? Men tish doktoriga ko'rinishim kerak. I want to see the dentist. Endi bu yerga see deganimiz endi ko'mak bo'lmasa, har xil kasallarni ko'rsatish. Masalan see a doctor. Okay, endi see the dentist bo'lgan degan hamda mushkullarga o'rtaq bo'lgan shu tish doktoriga qanday qilib boqay, bir ko'rinib baqsam bo'pti ekan deydi. I want to see the dentist, please. And I want to see the doctor, please bo'lsa, men doktorga ko'rinib baqsam. No, I don't. Okay. Endi bu yerga bu yerga bir jumla nima desanglar? Have you made an appointment? Okay. Yoki do you have an appointment? Endi bu yerga do you have an appointment deganning ma'nosi kelishib qo'ymoq. Oldin qana deyishib qo'ymoq degani have appointment deydi. Endi savol shakli bo'lgan emasmi? Do you have an appointment? Siz oldin kelishib qo'yganmi? Shuna emas, no I don't. Agar men kelishib qo'ygansiz, yes I do. Yes I do. Okay. Ondan keyin yana bir jumla mesela is it urgent? Hamda it's asl shakli bu jumlaning it's urgent. U bo'lsa intan jiddiy degan gap. Hamda u jiddiymi demoqchi bo'lsak, is it urgent? U jiddiymi? Yes it is. It's very urgent. U intan zarur. Demak hamda shu kesilish nima? I feel awful. I have a terrible toothache. Okay, and I feel awful degan night big bearam bo'lib ketib borman. Okay? I feel awful degan men big bearam bo'lib ketib borman. Bo'ladimi nima desangiz shu salomatlikka yoki badanga bearam bo'lmoq. Odatda bir idiom xarakterlik mana bir ifodalash bor inglizcha feel under the weather. Okay, feel shu is qilmoq shu feel under ostida the weather. Demak havoning ostida. Demak havoning ostida kerak his qilyapman. Demak endi bu film bearam bo'lyapman. Demak I'm sick yoki I feel ill degan gap. I feel ill men og'rib qoldim yoki I feel sick yoki I'm sick yoki I feel under the weather. I have a terrible toothache. Agar endi men have degan kasalliklarni oldiga kelsa shuni giribdor bo'lib qolmoq. Shundaq kasallikka mubtalo bo'lib qolmoq yoki shundaq kasal og'rib qolmoq degan ma'noda. Endi I have a terrible toothache bo'lsa meningki tushim qanday qildi? Intayin og'rib qoldi. And I have a headache. Okay, and we have a headache deguncha. Headache deganimiz endi bosh og'riqi. I have a headache. Mening beshim og'rib qoldi. I have a headache. Can you come at 10 a.m. on Monday, April 24th? Okay, can you come at? And this is tara qarab turadi. Chunki bu doktorxonaniki kelishib qo'ygan bemorlarga oid ko'p bo'lg'achini can you come at 10 a.m. AM deganimiz tushdan burun. Can you come at 10 a.m. bo'lsa, siz tushdan burun 10 bilan kela olamsiz. On Monday, April 24th. 4-oyning 24 debdi. Agar endi masalan rasmdagi kalendar qarasak, vaqtni yetishgan soatda April 14th. Ana 10 kundan keyin kelamsiz debdi. I must see the dentist now. Nurse. Okay, men hozir doktorga ko'rinishim kerak. Hozirlam doktorga ko'rishim kerak. Nima dentist? You know, dentist is very busy at the moment. Okay, endi sharga at the moment deganimiz nima? Masalan, mush paytda. Demak, endi mush vaqtda dentist qanday oldirash? Can you come at 2 p.m.? Xo'sh, endi bu yerga AM degan qo'y tushdan burun bo'ldi. PM deganimiz nima? Masalan, tushdan keyin. Undan keyin kunlarning oldiga yana 10 keladi, aniq vaqtning oldiga at. Masalan, ma'lum vaqt, masalan, at 10 o'clock yoki 10 a.m. Tushdan burun 10. Tushdan keyin 10 bo'lsa, masalan, at 10 p.m. Okay. You know, this is very late. Can the dentist see me now? Wow, that was big. Kechikib ketdik. Doktor hozir ko'rib qo'ya oladimi? You know, I'm afraid that he can't. Okay, I'm afraid degan ham men sirayman, men qo'rqayman degan gapchi. Amaliyotda bu night siliq spy oldiga bir rad qilish. Masalan, o'ymanda qulanib night siliq spy so'g'onga no desa bu night deb qo'pollikdan derak berdi. Anda bu siliq spy gapga no deb javob berishmi qanday desam, adabsizlik. Shunga I'm afraid that I can't. Demakchi men qilmasligimdan ensirayman. Yoki men qilmasligimdan qo'rqaman. Demakchi endi shu men qilolmayman degan gap. Demak ham bu gapni anglaganda bo'ldi bu qilolmaydi ekan, bunda agitib siliq spy rad qilib aytibdi desanglar bo'ladi. Masalan, can you help me? Desa, I'm afraid I can't. Voy men qilolmasligimdan qo'rqimda chunki qilib turgan o'xshamamdi bu. Desak bo'lmaydi. Bu nima desam, naha shuniki inkor shakli bo'ldi. Inkor shakli bo'ldi. Mr. Craft, can't you wait till this afternoon? Endi bu yerda bir inkor savol jumla bo'ldi. Can you wait till this afternoon degan siz bir saqlab tura olamsiz bo'lsa, can't you wait till this afternoon? O bir saqlab tura olmamsiz? Inkor savol jumla odatda nima desam, foring bo'lmasdan balki kunding bo'ldi. Inkor bo'lmasdan bu yerda nima desamlar, shu bo'lishlik holatda bo'ldi. Men sizdan balangiz ma desak, nima deymiz? Savol jumla bo'ldi. Men sizdan balangiz emasmi? Men balangiz emasmi? Men demakchi, men balangiz emasmi degan gap, hamda men balangizdim qo'y degan gap. Masalan, ko'pincha masalan kichik bolalar fuqsiga yaxshi muomala qilib, aksiga yaxshi muomala qilmasa, apsig'ini deydi desa, "Apa, men sening balang emasmi?" Men balang emasman degan gap mening men balang emas degan gap emas, balki men balangdim-ku. Nima uchun menga o'xshash muomala qilmaysan degandan derak berdim yana. Tushunalmi? Endi bu mening qalbim emasmi degan gap. Bu mening qalbim demoqchi. Demak, hamda shu savol jumlaga inkor qilsa, nima bo'ldi desam, naqshini bo'ldi. Masalan, aren't you John? Voy siz John emasmi? Demak, voy siz John-ku degan gap shu. I can wait but my toothache can't. Nima debdi? Voy men qo'l saqlab tura olmayman, lekin meniki tish og'riqim saqlab tura olmaydi. Xo'sh, endi bu mashq saqlashlar bir tarafdan shu tekstni o'qig'ach, endi shuningdek ba'zi bo'sh o'rinlar bor ekan. Moshlarni birlikda to'ldirib boqaylik. Qarang. Masalan, Mr. Croft has a terrible toothache. And masalan, I have a terrible toothache dedi qo'y, endi men ismini mashlarsa. He goes to see the dentist, but he doesn't make an appointment. The nurse tells him to come at 10 a.m. But his toothache is very urgent. He must see the dentist now. The nurse asks him to wait till this afternoon. Mr. Croft says he can't wait. But he can wait, but his toothache can't. O saqlay oladigan, lekin chag'riq saqlab tura olmaydi. And qarab baqsaq sadoshlar shunda I go to see the doctor every week and the mauni ma'risanlar bu shu oddiy hozir zaman men har hafta doktorxonaga ko'rganga borman, ko'ringanga borman. My father goes to see the doctor every day. Ko'rishga bordim. Masalan, I have an appointment with doctor every week. Demak, hamda men hammasi oddiy hozir zaman bo'ldi. Demarsan, davomli qilib turgan, qaytilib turgan erkaklar uchun ham oddiy hozir zaman keldi. Masalan, my father has an appointment with the doctor every week. I don't have an appointment with the doctor every week. Deganga o'xshash. Okay. Qaranglar. Onadagi miyarga can't you wait? Okay. Bu nima desangiz, siz saqlab turolmaysiz. Okay, demakchi saqlab turishingiz kerak bu degan gap, ha? Masalan, I know, I don't know, don't you know? Demak, endi men inkor shakllari. Endi men o'tgan zamonning inkor shakllari nima? Masalan, I didn't go yesterday. Men tunugun qanaqamidim? Bormidim. Didn't you go yesterday? Voy tunugun bormidingizmi? Esda berishingiz kerak bu degan gap. Ya'ni I'm not a student. Okay, aren't you a student? Okay. Nima desangiz? I'm not a student. Siz o'quvchi emasmi? Demak, endi siz o'quvchi bo'lsangiz kerak bu demakchi. So where is he now? Okay, u hozir nada? Okay, he wants to see the dentist. Okay, shunaqa. What is he doing now? He is talking to the nurse, right? Sestra gap qiladira. What does he want to do? He wants to see the dentist, right? So I'm afraid that I can't come tomorrow. I'm sorry that I didn't go yesterday. Okay, and the mishariki sağlayacak qarsanlar. Mesela I'm sorry that I didn't go yesterday. The men tunigin baramag'im aytib absolutely man. Kechirim so'rayman degan gap bo'ldi. Endi men I'm glad that you can help me. Sizning yordam qila olganingizni men intayin xo'sh degan gap bo'ldi endi. Okay, endi men parchani o'qib, endi men savollarni bir tanlab beraman sağlashda. Mesela my name is Tom. I'm 11. This is my room. Look, there is a desk and bed in it. The bed is next to the desk. My bed is red. Beside the bed is a bookshelf. My books are on it. On the desk, there is a rug. My cat is sleeping near the desk. My room is small but very nice, and I like it very much. So first, Tom is 10 years old. Doğru Tom 10 years old, man? No, he's 11 years old. That is next to the desk. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Next to the desk. There is not clock on the wall. Tam saat yok dedi. Bills, there is a clock on the wall, right? Tom's cat on sleeping on the desk. Bills, okay. What about this room is very small but very nice. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Bo'ldi mana bugungi tekst ma'qulashib qolib sog'lashlar. Bosma shu darsni yaxshi tekrarlab kelsanlar. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz mushagicha bo'lsin. See you next time. Goodbye.